Alright guys, here's the video of our oven. Here's the brand right there. It's a Viking Professional. Yep, this is Alex. Alex, I'm on the video.
Okay.
Yep. We are cooking some fried chickens. Let me go ahead and turn
Do this one.
this one. Got it. Let's see. You want bake, right? Or boil, right? Boil, bake, right?
Bake.
Bake. Alright, and then we're gonna set our oven temperature to do you want on 350 or 325 or what? What oven temp do you want? Is it 325 or 350?
Either one.
Okay. Alright, let's turn it on. Hold on. Let's turn it. You hear just turn it on, you hear a click. Alright. So now this is on. Let's turn on the third vent. I hear it. I'm just making the video of the oven and the hood vent. Yep, you hear it? There's a fan right there that pushes the air through the outside. And there's a light. You hear it? Means that it's on. And the dishwasher is about to be done, so once the dishwasher is done, that way I can open the door and then let it cool off with just a couple of minutes or two. Just a couple of minutes. And here's the dishwasher. I haven't make the whole run-through cycle. After when I get some more storage left, after when I clear all of my storage, in that case, we would take a video of it going all through cycles. Like, yeah, you can hear a lot of noises. Right. This is the here's the brand. It's a Bosch dishwasher. It's drying right now. There's 3 minutes left. So once it, hey mommy, can I do it in the microwave?
I think we got it.
Why don't you go in and grab the fried
Let's see, want time cook, right?
It's right here.
Oh, great. Is there green beans?
Alright. How long do you need, mommy?
Just do a minute or two. A minute and 30 seconds. Here.
You can help by grabbing a plate right here. I'll have one.
And here's the microwave. See it?
Me and Alex and you and Bill. So
That, you know why, right? That's why I know how to work the microwave.
Are you going to have some chicken
that's it
too?
right now. Will already has his.
Yep.
Okay.
See that digital display counting down? You hear that noise it makes?
Okay. Yes. Correct.
I was gonna take the
cooking.
chill off of it,
That's
in the
why
microwave, and then
You
put
hear
it
it?
in the oven.
I think we made
The
it.
heat comes in.
Okay.
You hear the vibration. That's the heat.
I think that we're a little
Heat is kicking in.
Okay, that's fine. All right, open.
It's pulls. So that means I'll have to open the door. Hold on, let me show you. When you open the door, push this button. And it says pause.
So what do you like normally? You usually like
And it returns back to the countdown screen. And when you shut the door, watch. It says press start, but we don't want that. Alright. The dishwasher's done. Oh, it's raining. Hear it? Means it's about to be done. So once after it's done, that way I can open the door and then let it cool down for just a couple of seconds. A couple of minutes or two. Hey Allison.
Yes, love.
The dishwasher's done. You see it one?
Alright.
Hey, Allison.
Yes,
What you can watch the thing turned off.
I can see from here.
Oh, clean. Alright, let's open the door. Oh, look at all that steam. That's a nice microwave.
Thank you, my love. Would you put it on there for 1 minute?
That's a nice microwave right there. heats up, right?
Okay.
The heater does do a lot of things, right? It waves too, remember that? The heater waves and it cooks food.
I would like some pork salad also.
You know, Allison, and there's a fan on the back
Yeah.
that controls the. It is clean. It's done. You just need to let it cool down for just a couple of minutes.
Watch out, love.
And Alex, thanks for talking to me, knowing how to work the microwave for me.
You're welcome.
It's so good on showing me.
I had like second desserts today.
Okay. But we need to eat those fries.
You hear that fan?
I figured you.
Corn salad is spun out.
Thank you for getting the corn.
Alright, just make sure we be careful because it's hot
Angles it by the fire.
after it's done. Alright. Take a look at the oven one more time. Here's the oven, and here's the herd vent. I got it out for you, Allison.
Food out. I'm gonna get some of the
I got your thing out for you.
Thank you so much.
It's hot, right? Just be careful.
It is.
So you don't want to burn themselves when you hear a beep. Alright, it's all video. Stopping it. Bye.